everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making an Italian pasta salad. Yum! So as always, I bring you fast, easy, and delicious recipes. So stick around. Let's get started with the ingredients. We will need some cheese, Colby Jack, some Rotini, some Italian dressing, broccoli, and olives. And that's what you'll need for your ingredients. Start out by cutting your cheese into little cubes. When your water starts boiling, add your salt, then your pasta, and stir frequently so it doesn't get stuck together. When your pasta is done, pour in your broccoli and cook it for 30 seconds. I just don't like raw broccoli, so that's why I cook it a little. But once you're done with just 30 seconds, you rinse it out. And not to dirty more dishes, just put it in the same pot. I also decided to add 1 tomato. So you just dice it up and add it to that. And right now I'm just adding all the ingredients together. I used about 3/4 of a cup of the Italian dressing. Hello everyone, we're gonna try Chili's pasta. This is how it looks. Looks so delicious. And to be honest, I already tried it and I love it, but I was saving it. So here I come. This is so delicious. I love it. You guys have to try this. Tell you can get married now, by the way. That was it for today's video, guys. I will see you on my next one. Bye.